All right. So for our friends at home, I decided instead of making one long video, we're going to break our video down into different sections. So the first video we did was for the exit ticket that I will be scoring. This second video is going to be just for the fluency part of our lesson. Okay? So we are going to do right now on your personal whiteboards, we're going to do equations with letters for the unknown. So get out your personal whiteboards and we're going to be finding the unknown with familiar facts. Okay? Go ahead and write the number sentence as I've written it. And then underneath it, write the value. So 6 times 2 equals A, and then write the value underneath. Friends at home, you can just get a piece of scrap paper and do this with us on a piece of scrap paper. I do not need you to submit anything, but this is important practice for you. All right, very good. I see a C of A equals 12. Very good. 6 times 2 equals what? A is our unknown. A equals 12. Let's try another one. 12 divided by 6 equals B. What does B equal? All right, the division set. So division is our total, and we're looking for an unknown factor. If you guys could erase them and just give me your new one, that'd be great. You got it? 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 Nice, Mercy. Very good, William. Good, Quinn. Good, Allison. Try again. Good. Good. All right, so most of you got that. 12 divided by 6 equals what? 12 divided by 6 equals 2. How do we know? Remember what you can do. 6, 12. There's your answer right at your fingertips, right? All right, let's try a couple more. 7 times 3 equals C. Go ahead and write that, and then write what C equals. Yes. Very good. 7 times 3 equals C. C equals class 21. Nice job. Okay, now let's do the division part of it. I will tell you on your mid-module assessment, you are going to have to relate multiplication and division equations with a letter for the unknown. So this is, if you feel good about this, Sadie, please don't doodle. If you feel good about this, then you should feel good about that particular question on the assessment. Now we've got 21 divided by 7 equals D. What does D equal? Good. Very good. Good. I see what you're doing. I don't want you to do that because when I look at the board, I don't want you to see which one is the current one. I really only want you to write one at a time on your board because if I'm in a hurry trying to check your work, I want to only be able to see one at a time. Good, good, good. Okay, what does D equal, everybody? D equals 3. Okay? D equals 3. How do we get it? We skip down by 7 to 21. 7, 14, 21, and there's your answer. All right, we have a couple more of these. These are really good practice for you. Remember, this is kind of what the kids do in algebra. They use letters for their unknown. It's kind of like a puzzle. So now we've got E times 4 equals 24. What does E equal? I like the way Jadalyn is actively seeking her answer. Nice job, girl. I see those fingers flying, and guess what? She got it. Nice job, honey. Actively seek your answer. Very good. Luke, nice, Nick. Try again, Ellie. Good, good. Good, William. Good. Good. Chin your board. Good. Good. Okay, what does E equal, class? E equals 6. Xavier, I'd like you to do some of these. I haven't seen you do one. Xavier, I've not seen you do one of these. So remember, those who do the work, class? Those who do the work? I know I've done this with you before. call back. Those who do the work, do the learning. If you don't do the work, you will not do the learning. Let's try that again. Those who do the work,
Do the learning.
thank you, Allison. Nice job, girl. Okay, you know I'm going to give you a division one to match this. We're going to say 24 divided by 4 equals F. What does F equal? You got it. Nice. Jada Lynn is on fire up here. She's making me hot. I can just feel the heat coming off of her. Got it. I'm going to take this space. Do that. Okay? You can, I've given you one more chance. So you can work on it. Okay? You want to work on it or not? Nice. Riley, what does F equal? F equals 6. How can I get that? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's 6 fingers. All right, you guys are getting really good at this, I can tell. There's another one. How about G times 2 equals 18? What will G equal? I need to be able to read it though. Very good. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh. No, just leave it. No, try again. I can't look. Just try again, I think. Try again. Ooh, we're struggling with this. You got it. You got it. Try again. So we have to think about what times 2 equals 18. I thought most of us knew our 2's. You got it. Good job. G equals 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. We're not ready for this. Oops. Oh, I forgot the division one. Related division. 18 divided by 2 equals H. What does H equal, class? H equals 9. Two more. Oh my goodness. I think we're going through the whole alphabet here. Here's one of those ones that is tricky. 16 equals I times 2. What does I equal? Take a second and think about that one. That's an I. Nope, it's an I. 16 equals I times 2. I. That's hard.
Oh my God, how is she getting it right?
And she's getting it right and she's doing them. Look at he split. Her mind is just on fire today. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Wait, no, I don't think we do have it. Try again. You got it. 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 Nice job, Steve. Okay, so if 60 equals I times 2, I times 2 equals 8. What are you going to put in here to make that equation true? 8 times 2 equals 16. So then we might have 16 to be divided. 16 equals I times 2. What does I equal? Did I just do that one? I did. I did. Sorry about that. How about this one? 16 divided by 8 equals, here's your J, Allie. J equals. Okay, 16 divided by 8 equals J, and J equals, everybody? 2. Nice job. You can skip count by 8. 8, 16, bam, there's your answer. And how about this one? 45 equals, okay, 45 equals 5 times K. What will K equal? What are you going to skip count by? 5. Do you get 2? 45. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice. Okay, what does K equal, class? K equals 9. We got it by skip counting by 5 until we got to 45. And here is our very last one, I promise you. 45 divided by 9 equals M. What does M equal? Yeah, the related facts. So everybody should know what M equals 5. We had the same numbers over there. Okay? All right. There was a lot of other fluency we were going to do today, but we're a little behind. What? No, we're not doing anymore. Put your personal whiteboards away. We're going to go right to our workbook. And remember, you want to go to page 18 in your workbook. We are going to count by units of 6. So as you get to your workbook page, let's sing our song for our 6s, shall we? 3, 2, 1. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, 48, and 54, 60, 66, and 72. Very nice. Okay, so first thing I would do is I would look at that page and I would read the directions. And you know it's a matching one, and you know how Mrs. Reed feels about matching. She does not like it. So, before we do anything, can we all agree we should be able to skip count and fill in those sons? Can you guys all do that, skip count by 6s? Okay, go ahead and skip count. We're not doing matching. We're not, I just said, you don't know how you feel about it. Erase the matching line if you've done. All you're doing right now is filling this in. You can sing the songs. Looks like Xavier already has his done. Fill these in. If you got it done, put your hand on your head. Okay, help me fill it in by singing the song. Okay, boys and girls. Even though some of them are filled in, I'm going to write them over because the picture isn't that good. All right? Go ahead, boys and girls. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, 48, and 54, 60, 66, and 72. So, the 66 and 72 is 6 times 11 and 6 times 12. We're not worried about those right now in our multiplication learning, so they aren't part of it. Now, let's do this. We are going to put an A in front of here. We're going to put a B here. And we're going to continue to label them in ABC order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All right, so now what it wants us to match each number in the count by with its multiplication factor, all right? So, well, let's just do a couple together, and then you can do the rest on your own. Friends at home, same thing. I'm going to pause the video and let you do the rest on your own. When I'm at 6, how many 6s have I counted? 1 6. So let's come over here, and where do we find 1 6? Right here, right? So we're not going to draw a line. What are we going to put in front of 1 times 6? We're going to put the letter A. Let's do another one. At 12, how many 6s have we counted? 2 6s. Let's come over here and look for the multiplication fact. 2 times 6. It's right above the A, isn't it? We'll put B there. So does everybody now understand what I expect? When you get to C, you're counting 1, 2, 3 6s. Go ahead and find 3 times 6. I'm going to pause the video for you guys at home for a minute to let you work on that, and then we will come back and you can check your answers, okay?